Solitude is a deliberate pause from the noise of the world, a quiet space where the mind learns to listen to itself. In its stillness, distractions fade and inner thoughts rise with honesty. It is not an escape from people, but a return to oneself, where creativity flows without pressure and emotional balance is restored. Through solitude, one learns self-resilience and discovers that peace can exist even in complete silence. Gomoa Wonderland is a recreational nature park nestled in the lush greens of Gomoa in the central region. The facility is an 80-acre coconut plantation with a dedicated waterfront park for picnics, nature escapes, and camping. It also has fully fitted cozy cabins for a quick getaway to escape the city and to retreat yourself. Gomoa Wonderland is located at Gomoa Eduafo, a village along the Akuti to Konyaku Road, 45 minutes drive away from Kaswa. The facility has a number of private booths, which adds comfort and dignity to the site, giving visitors a quiet space to rest, transact businesses or make personal interactions without distraction. These booths enhances relaxation and help everyone enjoy the experience with confidence and peace of mind. Welcome to this episode of Discover Hub, and in this video, you join me as we make a quick tour through the Gomoa Wonderland Recreational Park. First up, let's start with the eatery. The on-site restaurant adds warmth and convenience to the experience, offering visitors a comfortable place to relax and enjoy freshly prepared meals. Its welcoming atmosphere and local flavors complement the surroundings, making it more than just a place to eat. It becomes part of the overall journey and enjoyment of the site. The swimming pool, which offers a refreshing escape, blends relaxation with recreation. Clean, well-maintained and inviting, it provides visitors a perfect spot to cool off, unwind and enjoy the environment, adding to the site's overall appeal and comfort. Let's continue with a review of the various apartments, starting with the most expensive on site. The Yasantua Suite, which goes for 2,000 cedis a night, offers a perfect blend of comfort and space, featuring a well-designed master bedroom alongside a convenient side room. The expansive living area provides a welcoming space to relax or entertain, while the fully equipped kitchen, complete with a refrigerator, supports easy living. Altogether, the layout delivers both functionality and a sense of home. The bar adds a warm and relaxing touch to the experience. Tastefully designed, it offers a calm atmosphere where guests can unwind with well-crafted drinks after a long day. It serves as a perfect social spot, blending comfort, style and leisure seamlessly into the setting. The receptionists on site are welcoming, professional and highly attentive. Their warmth, efficiency, and clear communication makes every guest feel valued from the moment they arrive. With a friendly attitude, patience, and a strong sense of responsibility, they ensure smooth services and create a lasting, positive first impression. Continuing with the mahogany loop, the standard cabin, which goes for 500 cedis per night, stands as the best option for most, with a home-like environment excluding a heater. The Queen cabin, which goes for 600 cedis a night, comes with a heater. The summer hut serves as a comfortable spot for residents to enjoy fresh air as well as host small gatherings away from indoor confines. Nestled along the calm waters, this lakeside view lodge offers a rare blend of comfort and serenity with views that reflect the changing moods of the lake. It provides a peaceful retreat where nature and modern living exist in perfect harmony. The tent goes for 180 cedis per night, and visitors can choose any spot on site to position. Some free activities include archery, table tennis, and others. Paid activities include canoe ride, paddle boats, cycling, and others. As the sun sets on this hub, what remains is more than a collection of facilities. It is a place where moments are shared, energies renewed, and memories made. From spaces designed for relaxation to areas alive with laughter and activity, the center stands as a hub of comfort, connection, and enjoyment. In closing, it is not just a destination, but an experience that invites every visitor to return, refreshed and inspired. Thanks for watching. Check out the spots are reserved for the Mayans. Like, subscribe, and share. Enjoy the cultural music at the end.